Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. This is going to be one of my all-time favorite videos to make. This is the complete super duper cheap thank you Goodwill Store garden beds. I gotta show you. These were Goodwill. Look at these things. This is one heavy duty bin, $1.99. $1.99. This whopper. Look at this whopper. This is like a bin and a half. $2.99. Now, in my area, here in Lawrenceville, Georgia, if you go on a Tuesday, it's Old People Tuesday, and you get another 25% off. So we got a bin for $1.99, a bin for $2.99, take another 25% off. And we're talking about two giant garden beds for what, $3.80, $3.90, less than $4. This is incredible. What do you have to do to make a good bed out of it? You got to drill a couple of holes, fill it full of dirt, and plant. So we're going to go here to the end. I don't want to lose all of the water, so I'm going to put a hole about right there. Maybe I'll put two in case we get a super rain. I'm up about 2.5 inches. Drill it slow so you don't split out the plastic. There's the whopper. And a couple holes here in this one, come up 2 inches. Now, the reason these are so cheap at Goodwill is because they didn't have the lids. Guess what? I don't want the lids. So, here is me two giant beds. Fill it up with dirt, put some fertilizer in, and plant. I got less than $4 involved. This is a large amount of containers. So, I'm gonna get these placed over on the side. I'll even show you what the last great adventure did. Now, another trip to Goodwill on a previous one got me a container almost identical. Definitely about the same size. Almost identical. It also was $3. And what a jungle of garlic is growing in it. What a jungle of garlic. And then we have somewhere another container. It's somewhere else, but Goodwill is a great place to go. You like to recycle? Go to Goodwill and recycle somebody's cast off containers. You'll find they make great gardening containers, and they're green. They're telling you we need plants in us. So this is David at Grow and Eat This with a quick one on how to have the nicest garden for the least amount of money. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.